Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything on laptop and PC, Windows 10 and 11. So all you want to do is go and click on the Windows button at the bottom of your computer, which says Start, and open up your settings. You can always go and search for settings if you're struggling to find them as well. In settings, what you want to do is head over to the left and click on System, and in System, scroll down like this, and you should then go and find the option for recovery. Just like that, in recovery, go into recovery options, and we've got the option for reset this PC, and this is how we can go and remove everything from our laptop. If you are struggling to find these settings, you can just click on find the setting and type in reset PC, and then we can go and be taken to this page. So let's look on reset PC again, and then you can go and keep your files or remove everything. So what we want to do is remove everything, so click there, and it will then go and say getting things ready. Just wait, and you then need to decide how you want to go and reinstall Windows. I like to do a local reinstall, but you can do whatever you want. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.